Hello and welcome to our channel. Qwen 3.6 Plus preview free version is available on Open Router, and you can check this model. You can also create the API from here, create API, and after logging you should be able to create API. Give the API name and just click on create. It will create the API for you. For now I am going to test this model. So this is the playground, and you can see Qwen 3.6 plus preview free is selected here. I will write a prompt here to create this self-contained HTML file with some of the animation. So I pasted this prompt. So it is build a simple self-contained HTML file that simulates a living ant colony with pure JavaScript and HTML file canvas API. So give this prompt. So it is analyzing request, and you can see how it is analyzing request. So it is started creating the HTML code. Let's wait for the HTML code to complete. So 3.6 Qwen 3.6 plus preview is the next generation evolution of the Qwen Plus series, featuring an advanced hybrid architecture that improves efficiency and scalability. It delivers strong reasoning and more reliable agentic behavior compared to 3.5 series. In benchmarks, it performs at or above leading state-of-the-art models designed as flagship preview. It excels in agentic coding, front-end development, and complex problem solving. Note this. So this is a free model, and note that this model collects prompts and completion data that can be used to improve the model. So if you are working on some specific project, a secure project, and you don't want the data to be collected by the model, so you should not use this model. Otherwise, for testing and other purposes, you can use this model. So this is the playground. You can chat with this, enter your message. Let's see, hi. And here the code is being developed. So let's wait for the code to generate, and here we will try the meanwhile it is generating, still generating our code. So this is a huge HTML file. Let's see how much time it takes to complete. And this model supports this Python, JavaScript, TypeScript, Java, C, C++, CS, Go, Rust, Ruby, PHP, Swift, Kotlin, Scala, Dart languages, then mark web and markup framework is HTML, CSS, etc. Data science, R, MATLAB and Julia. NumPy, Py, Pandas, TensorFlow, PyTorch ecosystems it supports. Scripting and development, Bash, ZSH, PowerShell, Perl, Lua, Python, Make, Dockerfile, YAML, TOML, JSON supports, and Jing, Nim, Haskell, Elixir, Clojure, Fhash, OCaml, Assembly, Verilog, VHDL, LTeX. All these programming language it supports. It is expert in writing, debugging, and optimizing code, explaining concepts, syntax, and error messages, translate code between languages, best practices, architecture and testing strategies, frameworks like framework library. It supports React, Django, Spring, TensorFlow, etc. I don't execute code directly, but I can provide accurate and up-to-date snippet and reasoning for virtually any task. Text generation based language, my proficiency is highest in languages with extensive public codebase and documentation. So it is still generating the code. Code is generated successfully. You can see this is the code, and this is the key features implementation. So let's copy this code and try to run into the browser. Yeah, copy it, and then I will create one HTML file. Now open it notepad and open it in the browser. And it here. So it's not working. Now try this. So it's generated the page for a travel company, and let's copy this code and low. So let's test this. Yeah, this is the nice page for a travel company. Okay, let me remove this. I think it added here itself. And this also. Let's refresh. Now it is correct. Good. It looks good. So we have tested this Qwen 3.6 plus preview model. Thanks for watching the video and subscribe our channel for more tutorials and videos.